Here is our next question. The first Sultan of Delhi who attempted the conquest of South India was. The Sultan was Alauddin Khilji. C option is correct here. Who was the Guru of Kabir? The Guru of Kabir was Ramananda. B option is correct here. The reputed magician duo Tansen and Baiju Barwa flourished during the reign of Akbar. C option is correct here. The first Bhakti movement was organized by Ramanujacharya. The Mir Bakshi of Mughal emperor was the head of the army organization. C option is correct here. Who among the following was the capital of Shivaji? The capital of Shivaji was Raigarh. B option is correct here. Which Sultan of Delhi established an employment bureau, a charity bureau and a charitable hospital? So, the Sultan was Firoz Tughlaq. A option is correct here. The Chalukyas established their empire in the Deccan. C option is correct here. During Akbar's reign, the Mahabharata was translated into Persian and was known as Rajm Namah. B option is correct here. Next question. Who among the following Tomar ruler is credited with founding the city of Delhi? So the ruler was Anangpal. A option is correct here. Who among the following Mughal emperors brought about the fall of Sayyid brothers? So the ruler was Muhammad Shah. D option is correct here. Where is the Bada Imam Bara located? Bada Imam Bara located in Lucknow. B option is correct here. Who among the following was the last Mughal emperor? So the last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah II. C option is correct here. The Inam land was one which was assigned to scholars and religious persons. A option is correct here. Which Rajput ruler drew up a set of tables called Jij Muhammad Suhi to enable the people to make astronomical observation? So the Rajput ruler was Raja Savai Jai Singh. B option is correct here. Next question. Who built the Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, famous for the world's second largest dome and the whispering gallery? So it was built by Yusuf Adil Shah. B option is correct here. Match the capitals of ruling dynasties of early medieval India. So there are the ruler and dynasties: Pratihars, Chandels, Parmars and Chalukyas, Kannauj, Khajuraho, Dhar and Ahilwad. So the capital of Pratihars were Kannauj, the capital of Chandels were Khajuraho, the capital of Parmars were Dhar and the capital of Chalukyas were Ahilwad. A option is correct here. Next question. The Mughal emperor who discouraged Sati was. The Mughal emperor who discouraged Sati was Akbar. C option is correct here. Next question. Who called the second founder of Maratha kingdom? The second founder of Maratha kingdom was Bajirao I. C option is correct here. Which battle laid the foundation of Mughal rule in India? So the battle was the first battle of Panipat. C option is correct here. Next question. Mughal painting reached its zenith under the reign of Jahangir. C option is correct here. Who of the following was biographer of Akbar? So the biographer of Akbar was Abul Fazl. A option is correct here. Who among the following sultans of Delhi has been described by the historian as the mixer of opposites? So the sultan was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. C option is correct here. Who was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty? Last ruler of Lodi dynasty was Ibrahim Lodi. B option is correct here. Which of the following Mughal monarchs has vividly described Indian flora and fauna, seasons, fruits, etc. in his diary? So this question will be answered by you in comment section. Next question. The greatness of Sher Shah lies in his administrative reforms. C option is correct here. The temple built in 1100 AD and dominating all other temples in Brihadishwar was the Tribhuvaneshwara Lingaraj temple. C option is correct here. Who defeated whom in the second battle of Tarain? In the second battle of Tarain, Muhammad Gori was defeated by Prithviraj. D option is correct here. Who issued a token currency in copper coins between AD 1329 and 1330? So it was introduced by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. C option is correct here. Next question. Choth was land tax levied by Shivaji on neighboring state. D option is correct here. Next question. Tansen, a great magician of his times, was in the court of Shah Jahan. C option is was in the court of Akbar. B option is correct here. Next question. The court language of Mughals was Persian. Name the river on the banks of which the city of Vijayanagar is located. So the Vijayanagar is located near the banks of Tungabhadra. The option is correct here. Next question. Din-e-Ilahi was the new started by started by Akbar. C option is correct here. The capital of Bahmani kings was Gulbarga. A option is correct here. Under the administration of Shivaji, Peshwa was referred to as chief minister. C option is correct here. The first battle of Tarain took place between Muhammad Gori and Prithviraj Chauhan. B option is correct here. Which Khilji ruler killed his father-in-law to ascend the throne of Delhi? So the ruler was Alauddin Khilji. D option is correct here. The city of Dhilika means Delhi was founded by. So it was founded by Tomars. B option is correct here. Who wrote Ain-e-Akbari, the great historical work? It was written by Abul Fazl. A option is correct here. The guerrilla warfare was pioneered by. Shivaji. C option is correct here. Qutub ul Islam Mosque was built by. It was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. A option is correct here. Krishnadev Rai maintained friendly relations with the Portuguese. C option is correct here. The second battle of Panipat was fought between. So the second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hamu. A option is correct here. The Sufi saint who maintained that devotional music was one way of moving closer to God was. The Sufi saint was Baba Farid. B option is correct here. The Sikh Guru who wrote Jafarnama in Persian was. The Guru was Guru Gobind Singh. C option is correct here. Which of the following was built by Akbar to commemorate his conquest of Khandes in Gujarat? So it was Buland Darwaja. B option is correct here. The Delhi Sultan who fell to his death while playing polo was. So Sultan was Qutubuddin Aibak. A option is correct here. Who was the founder of the city of Agra? The person who was the founder of the city of Agra was Sikandar Lodi. The option is correct here. The Bhakti cult spread in Maharashtra with the teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. With the teaching of Sant Jananeshwar. B option is correct here. Next question. The remains of great Vijayanagar Empire can be found in Hampi. C option is correct here. The Sikh Guru who wrote Guru Nanak's biography was. The Guru was Guru Angad Dev. A option is correct here. Where is Gol Gumbaz, the largest dome in the world, situated? It's situated in Bijapur. The option is correct here. To take care of conquered lands, Muhammad Gori left behind his trusted general. The trusted general was Qutubuddin Aibak. C option is correct here. The famous city of Bhopal was founded by the Rajput ruler Raj Bhoj. C option is correct. Raja Bhoj. C option is correct here. Next question. Chand Bibi, the famous Muslim ruler, belonged to the which religion? She belonged to the religion. Which kingdom? She belonged to the Ahmadnagar. C option is correct here. Prithviraj Rasho was written by Chandbardai. C option is correct here. The court language of Delhi Sultanate was Persian. Razia Sultan, the first woman to sit on the throne of Delhi, was the daughter of Sultan Iltutmish. C option is correct here. Name the king who invaded Delhi and plundered the Kohinoor diamond. So the king was Nadir Shah. C option is correct here. The Grand Trunk Road was built during the reign of which ruler? It was built during the reign of Sher Shah Suri. A option is correct here. The founder of the independent Sikh state was. So it was Ranjit Singh. D option is correct here. The innovator of revenue settlement during the rule of Akbar was Raja Todarmal. C option is correct here. Name the language that was designated as the camp language during the medieval period? So the name of language was Urdu. The option is correct here. Which is the tallest of all medieval Indian temples? So it was Brihadishwar temple at Tanjore. The option is correct here. A renowned Jain scholar who was greatly honored by Akbar was. So the scholar was Hari Vijay. B option is correct here. Next question. Which one is not situated at Fatehpur Sikri? So it is Moti Masjid that is not situated in Fatehpur Sikri. B option is correct here. The Sultan who described himself as the second Alexander was. So the Sultan was Alauddin Khilji, Sikandar-e-Sani. B option is correct here. Next question. The largest standing army of Sultanate directly paid by the state was created by Alauddin Khilji. B option is correct here. Next question. Who among the following Rajput kings defeated Muhammad Ghori for first time? So the Rajput king was Baghel Bhim. B option is correct here. Next question. Where is the Bada Imambara located? Bada Imambara located in Lucknow. B option is correct here. What was the age of Akbar at the time of his coronation in Kalanur? So the age of Akbar was 13. A option is correct here. Bahadur Shah was the last Mughal ruler. C option is correct here. The basic purpose of formulation Din-e-Ilahi was. It was the purpose of universal faith. B option is correct here. Who among the following was the last Guru of the Sikh? Last Guru of the Sikh was Guru Gobind Singh. Who was the author of Geet Govind? Author of Geet Govind was Jaydev. A option is correct here. Which battle did open the Delhi area to Muhammad Ghori? So the battle was Second Battle of Tarain. The sultans of which dynasty ruled for the longest time? So the Sultan of dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, ruled for the longest time. B option is correct here. Qutub Minar, as we find at present, was finally rebuilt by Firoz Tughlaq. What was the official language of Sultanate? Official language of Sultanate was Persian. What is meant by a Peer in Sufi tradition? Peer meant by the Guru of the Sufis. B option is correct here. Khalsa Panth was created by Guru Gobind Singh in which year? So it was created by Guru Gobind in year 1699. In which of the following towns is Moti Masjid situated? So the Moti Masjid situated in Agra. A option is correct here. Iltutmish established a center of learning at Patna. Which of the following pairs is incorrect? So the pairs which are incorrect is Changez Khan versus Alauddin Khilji. This is incorrect. C option is correct here. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a failure. 7 because he was not a practical statesman. B option is correct here. Next question, find out the correct match of following. So the correct match is Bairam Khan Akbar. C option is correct here. Which one of the following are correctly matched person and events? So which are correctly matched are Alauddin revolt in Khilji, Bengal. C option is correct here. Next question, which one of the following battles led to the foundation of the Mughal rule at Delhi? So the battle was First Battle of Panipat. The only Hindu courtier of Akbar who accepted Din-e-Ilahi was. The courtier was Birbal. B option is correct here. Which of the following Mughal emperor is credited with composition of Hindi songs? So it was Jahangir. C option is correct here. The Akal Takht was built by Guru Hargobind. C option is correct here. Who was the regent of Akbar in his early days? The regent of Akbar was Bairam Khan. B option is correct here. Before assuming the office of Sultan of Delhi, Balban was the prime minister of Sultan Nasiruddin. A option is correct here. Humayun had to turn away from India after he was defeated in the Battle of Kannauj. D option is correct here. Krishnadev Rai built the Krishna Swami temple in Hampi, which is situated in the present state of Karnataka. A option is correct here. Next question, who among the following was the last Delhi Sultan? Last Delhi Sultan was Ibrahim Lodi. Who among the following was defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan in the First Battle of Tarain? So it was Muhammad Ghori. B option is correct here. Babur was succeeded to Mughal throne by by Humayun. C option is correct here. Raja Tarangini was written by, it was written by Kalhan. A option is correct here. Who is regarded as the second Alexander? Second Alexander is Alauddin Khilji. D option is correct here. Who discovered the sea route to India? The sea route to India was discovered by Vasco da Gama. Which one of the following monuments in Delhi is not included as a World Heritage Site? So the monument is Jantar Mantar. The option is correct here. Who got the Gita translated into Persian? It was translated by Dara Shikoh. D option is correct here. Rana Pratap Singh of Mewar was defeated by the Mughal army in the battle of Haldi Ghati. C option is correct here. Who among the following attacked the Somnath temple? It was attacked by Muhammad of Ghazni. A option is correct here. Next question. Famous battle of Talikota was fought in. It was fought in 1565 AD. Who among the following succeeded Aurangzeb? So Aurangzeb was succeeded by Muazzam. The option is correct here. Bibi Ka Maqbara is located in India at. It is located in India at Aurangabad. Where did Aurangzeb die? Aurangzeb died in Ahmad Nasar. C option is correct here. The first Sultan who requested and obtained letter of investiture from Khalifa or Khalifa was Iltutmish. A option is correct here. Which Sultan received a robe of honor from the Caliph? So the Sultan was Iltutmish. B option is correct here. Who among the following introduced the Mansabdari system? It was introduced by Akbar. C option is correct here. The market regulation system was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. C option is correct here.